It's too early. It's way too early. I can't get up because I'm so tired. Oh, hi. What are you guys doing up? We have to go to the zoo. And I'm sleepy. I was up late, and now we're getting up early. That's not a good combination. I'm so hot. We have to go to the zoo. Good morning. Oh, so hot. This is my morning voice. Hey. So if I call you, I say, well, hello.
Dude, that's a fresh Pop-Tart. It only had a few nibbles on it. It might even be a break.
Babe, I look like a creamsicle.
I look like a creamsicle.
My wife doesn't care because she's down there. I don't care.
Yeah.
Do I look like a creamsicle?
Yes.
Does that mean everybody want to take a lick? It's this little one. I'm coming down here. I'm going to see what this little one's doing. Yeah, my hair's out of control. It needs to be cut, but my wife doesn't want me to cut my hair. She wants me to look like an old man. What are you eating?
You are such a liar.
What are you eating?
Oh.
You camera shy.
See, no, that's about the least that I am.
What are we doing today, sweetie? Are we going to the zoo? Yeah, we're going to the zoo. Lima bean. My wife's gonna get 8 because she looks like a lima bean. An animal's gonna go home. My wife has me up so early, guys. She woke everybody up in this house because she's running it today. She's like, everybody get up. It's military drills. Run around the house 6 times as she's beating on this garbage can lid. She thinks it's funny. It's way too early to be up right now.
Yeah,
The sun just came out.
No, it is 9:30.
Yep, that's way too early.
Get your breakfast. We got things to do.
Should I get my breakfast? Hey, you, give me your food. I want to eat what you're
So
eating.
here you go.
Oh my god, there we go. I don't want to eat that. It's
See, it's
nasty.
just oatmeal and...
Brooke, do I look like a
Yogurt.
popsicle? Just kick your leg out. Okay, we don't know what this is. Well, there's a van right there. Alright. Okay, no. I don't know what that is. We are styling and we're getting ready to go to the zoo. We're actually at the zoo. Say hi, baby cub.
Baby.
Yes. And we gotta get your hat on. We're gonna get your hat on. Hat and sunglasses? Aren't we just a cutie?
Aww.
You ready to go? Look how cute you guys are. I'm gonna get a photo too. I'm gonna get a photo.
No, leave those on.
I'm the paparazzi. Trying to get photos of you. Yep, this way I'm always going to be the one getting photos before paparazzi gets photos. I get them first, 'cause I'm lucky. Yeah. She's just sucking it up. Let me get a photo of her.
Here, look at this. Let me take some pictures.
Do you see him?
I guess there's this new carousel, and it's up at the top over there. It's up there, right there. And we're gonna go on it. Yeah! Do you see him?
Well, there were like two families and showed how like described their fun with each other. It was actually pretty interesting. They always do that. Mom, remember when we used to watch Meerkat Manor? Yeah. Can I go inside?
Go inside? Why? What's inside?
Naked mole rats.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Did she just say naked mole rats?
Look at this tough monster falling off. Must be really old. That is an elephant, not a cat. Elephant. Look at it's picking up the mud and throwing it on itself, but it's hot.
What a story to tell. That was great.
What, if you threw mud on you?
Sprinkles are good if you're an elephant.
Let me move aside, you can have this story.
What do you think?
Keep some of the bugs away.
Hey, I like it, Daddy. Oh,
I forgot their names already. My bad.
one was Nala, right?
Yeah. Nala.
Looking at the lions.
If I ever had a
The
lion.
lions, because you're a baby cub. You're a baby cub. Look up. Are you ready to go on the carousel? Yes.
Okay, so
She's gonna go on the carousel. Alright. Yay! Baby cub gets on for free, and one of us get on for free because she's under 2. So that's kind of cool.
Down to under 48.
Yeah, you get to ride for free. And Haley gets to go on for free because she's under 2. Yeah. She's like, yeah, awesome. Are you ready? Hopefully we can get the giraffe. She wants to go on the giraffe.
Yeah, they like.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. easier to get the right shot. I'll try. Dad life. Dad life, right? Right? We've walked like 10 miles.
We've walked like 200 feet.
10 miles.
Oh, there.
We're still good?
We give her.
So Baby Cub's here with the monkey. Booyah. Don't eat the monkey, you're just giving him kisses. Is that what you're doing? Are you giving the monkey kisses? You giving monkey kisses?
Dine.
Hey, this will be the screenshot.
Is she licking it? Don't
Yeah,
let her.
she
No,
is.
don't lick it.
Ugh.
Oh, it's like a rind of a fruit. Dorito sandwich.
Go ahead, eat it. Well, you don't like my bread anymore?
Stop, I gotta get
Think
your
he
bum
sees
up.
it?
Hang on.
So we're looking at the koalas. Koalas are in here. And other things. Let's go check it out. Haley's going through the mist. It's good.
You can go back. Go on. We'll wait. I love you. Ew, that I don't like. They're funny. You guys are
Going through
funny.
the mist. Yeah.
No, it's not even running right
I want to tie Dennis up, put him on the track. He's like, no, don't do that. That's what I liked about, what was that game? You probably know what I'm talking about.
Red Dead Redemption.
Where you're on the horses
Yeah.
and you can hog tie someone and put them on train tracks?
Yeah.
Dude, that was the best. I used to do that all the time. I used to tie up people in the desert, put them on the train tracks, and then wait patiently until a train would run them over. Is that bad? That's probably bad. I love the game, Red Dead Redemption. That's a good game. I played the zombie one too. It's okay. It was good. We found the kangaroos.
No, it's wallaby.
Oh, it's a wallaby?
What's the difference?
I don't know.
It's smaller, maybe?
Yeah, they're smaller.
Okay, so we found the wallabies.
What is called wallaby?
Oh, there's a sweet white bird right here I didn't even see. Look at it, it's just chilling.
Look at. Look at the birdie. You see the bird?
What are you?
Looky out there. Do you see the wallaby out there? You do see it.
Come on, you guys, we gotta keep walking so you go to the rainforest.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta go to the rainforest. We're gonna go to the
Because
rainforest.
you have to walk.
This stuff feels so good on the feet.
The whole place.
Yeah, this whole place should be like this. That would be great if this whole place was like this.
Or I
It'd
think
be
it's all of
awesome.
this kangaroo.
Yup. It's like so squishy. Alright, I'm gonna try to jump as far as kangaroos jump. That to that is how far? What do you mean?
The whole red thing is a kangaroo jump.
The whole red thing is not a kangaroo jump.
Yes, it does. It says it right there.
Yeah, a dot to a dot.
No,
Is
the whole thing. Oh, sorry.
I'll have to look at the thing. I don't think so. Are you serious?
It is.
This whole thing
Yeah.
is one kangaroo jump.
Yes, the whole red.
That is a far jump.
It has like a diagram of all the different
Wow.
animals.
Alright, so I'm going to try to jump from yellow to yellow.
Almost.
Almost. I think I can do it.
See, right there's the diagram.
Alright, so this is the diagram. So a kangaroo jumps 14 feet.
No, it jumps 30 feet.
Oh no, it jumps, yeah,
Kangaroo at high speed.
30, at high speeds, 30 feet.
And that's a relaxed kangaroo.
Wow, that's crazy. 30 feet? It's insane. I jumped pretty far. Look at this. I jumped from this one to that one. That's how far I jumped. So boom, and I landed right there. Right there. There, that's pretty far.
You know right there. It says enter right there.
Enter.
And I restaged
You
it.
hanging out? She's hanging out. Alright, so we're going in the rainforest now. And it's gonna be hot in there. But it's awesome.
But that's Cincinnati?
Today was switching at 8 o'clock.
Guess what? Baby Cub is sleeping.
Sleeping.
She's
What's up?
Yeah, she's sleeping. Get the bump, and the door opens. And there's a helicopter. There's a helicopter. Alright, we're going inside. Alright, so we are deep in the rainforest, where animals come out of nowhere. And Baby Cub is sleeping. That's how entertaining the rainforest is to her. Yeah, leave that open. She's like, I'm so tired. But we're in the rainforest. Look at. Alright, so. Hey, look at, I found something in the rainforest. It's a Haley cub.
A wild Haley appears.
A wild Haley appears.
I'm taking you in the tree.
Oh wow. They're going in the tree. They're going in the tree of love. Wait a minute. That boy's taking my daughter into a tree. And guess what? I'm going in the tree too. Babe, I'm gonna take you in the tree. And we're gonna shack up. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright, so I'm going up in the tree. I'm gonna follow them. Look at this tree. Ho ho ho. Okay, so I feel like I'm gonna hit my head in this, but I'm not. We're going in the tree. Oh, there you are. I just went in the tree, up the steps. Yeah. Look at, there's a mirror. You can see me. This is what I look like when I vlog. I'm like this. I'm like, what's up, guys? All right, so Baby Cub should be coming out. We're gonna go in there. Oh, Baby Cub is in there. And she's still sleeping.
She's gonna be out.
She's still asleep. How was the elevator ride?
Great.
Was it awesome? Those things are bigger than me, pretty much, about as big as me.
3, 4 turtles. 2 turtles are doing it. Every time I come to the zoo, there's always 2 turtles doing it.
These 2 turtles are shacking their shells up. Yes, there they are. Well, that's awkward.
They're in my yard and oh, here it
We went through the rainforest together. But we didn't get rained on yet. Isn't there a spot where it rains on you?
No, it doesn't really rain out.
Look, they chilling in the corner. Like 2 years ago, the mama over here, they like turned around and it was like,
Where?
I can't see you, you can't see me. I like that too. It's a snake one.
That's a long neck.
I know, I want that turtle. I want that turtle. I want that.
We're trying to fit in this smallly packed elevator with all the babies, right? Are you guys sleeping too?
Oh, mine is wobbly. I was gonna say they're big babies. There's no baby in
No.
Hi, Piano. Aren't you missing something now?
I know, right? Like,
It's like we didn't want to give up the strollers with the storage space. So.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the breeze feels good down here. Oh, yes. So, yeah, she's out. Alright, guys, we're gonna continue on. What's up? That's Haley. This is the spot where you want to hang out, right here. Right here is perfect. It's not too hot. Yeah, dude, sit on the frog.
I was joking.
No, sit on the frog. So this is the coolest part. When you're inside this part of the rainforest, it actually starts to rain. Check this out. Oh, sorry.
Oh, this is the coolest zoo I've ever
Are we up there?
Oh, look at that. What do they do with all the leaves?
How are they doing that?
There's some love. Speak on hoarders. There's some clear. They're so tiny.
See how tiny that is? See how big the leaves are that it's carrying?
10 times bigger.
Yeah, did you see the one over there that's like ginormous? Look at this one. This one's big, Zach.
Big waterfall. Babies are still sleeping. Oh, this feels real good. There's this air blowing through my feet right now. It feels really good. And that, baby cub, was the rainforest. Did you have a good time?
See, yeah, I slept the whole time.
Did you like the rainforest? Was it everything you could have wished it was?
What are you talking about?
She's like, we went through the rainforest? When? Did I sleep through the whole thing? Yes, she did. You slept through it all.
Sleep as we were walking.
It's okay, baby.
As soon as we walked in,
Next time you get to see it all. It's alright.
Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was sleeping.
Oh man. Hey, guys, seriously, you're not gonna let this Pop-Tart go bad, right? I mean, dude, that's a fresh Pop-Tart. It only had a few nibbles on it. It might even be a break. You can never leave a Pop-Tart behind. Oh man, should I go eat that? That looks yummy. Yummy! That's a nice car. I love it. Alright, we're wrapping up. We're getting out of here. We're going home.